it's me, Donna, better known as Thrifttasticmom here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Now today I am going to be doing a unboxing / review on a product that was sent to me by Feppo, F-E-P-P-O. They sent me a food warming tray and they wanted me to unbox it and do a review on it and share it with you guys in case you are in search of something like this product. Also, they are going to provide a 10% discount off on this food tray. I will have that down below in my description box for you guys. So make sure if you are in the lookout for this to go check it out and get that discount. This is how it came. This is called the Urban Slate Color Feppo Electric Mat for Food. And I thought this come at the perfect time because with the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, I thought this would be perfect to warm up those casserole, food trays, everything, keep it warm. I will be taking this to my church and using this during our dinners to keep my stuff that I take warm, plus if, you know, if some other stuff will fit on it, I'll throw it on there too. Normally we use the hard older trays, but I think this will be really nice and neat to use because it is like a travel mat. I mean, you could take it, it rolls up, it's easy to put away, and it'll be really nice to take to church and any function you're having. Use it at home, whatever. All right, comes in this nice little bag. Urban Slate is the color. And then there's something else in here. Well, we have the power cord. And we have a manual. It even has the name on the bag. So this is pretty nice. It has a little weight to it, so it's well made. It's not cheap filling. This is what it looks like when it's rolled up. Now I love that it has these different functions on it here. You can set this for how much time you want to use it. You can set the temperature on it and all that. That's why I thought this would be really neat to have and to take when I go down to my mother's, to my church, wherever, and take my food to keep it warm. Okay, it has this nice strap on it, like a Velcro strap. And that just comes off. Okay, this is the back of it. It has like a, on the bottom it has like this plastic nubbies all over it, I guess. Plastic pieces that keeps it from laying flat on your surfaces. This thing's got some weight to it. This is quite heavy. I like it. Let's turn it this way. This is nice. It's a pretty good size too. It's like a heavy-duty rubber. Really nice. Love that color. We're going to hook it up. It has a place to plug your wire in, and this is where all your controls are. That's nice. I like that. I love how neat it is. And with me living in a small mobile home like I do, this will be easy to tuck away and it won't take up a lot of space. I love that. So let's hook this thing up. Let's see how it works. Take our cord here and plug this up. It goes right here. Okay, it says it's supposed to be rapid warming. This thing goes up to 212. Oh wow, I just run my finger across it. Okay, this is how you turn it on. And it has a timer. Okay, it goes up to 6 hours. Oh, the temp goes to 212. Okay. Oh, it's getting hot already. I feel it. Okay. It's counting up the temp, and then it'll let you know when it gets to 212. Wow, that's getting nice and warm. There's no way you're going to be able to touch it at 212 because it's already getting hot. Okay. The top feels hot. I mean, I could barely touch it. It's getting hot. But the bottom don't even feel hot. That's amazing. It don't even feel hot. That's cool. Yeah, it's getting, let's see. Yeah, it's got like a little trim around it here. It don't get warm because that's just like your trim edge. But on the inside here of the white line, it is hot. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. It is hot everywhere. But this would be nice to use at home or at a church function, family function, or anything, just to keep your items nice and warm. You could either keep them nice and warm, or you can keep them really warm at 212 degrees. So I've seen baby bottles sitting on it. I've seen cups sitting on it, pots, anything like that that you would want to keep warm. Ooh, yeah. That is nice and warm. It's tripped that the bottom is just barely warm now, but the top is nice and hot. That is cool. I'm going to put some pots on it and stuff and see how much I can actually get on the size of it. So I put 2 dinner-sized plates on here, like if you was wanting to keep your husband or your wife's dinner warm till they got home from work or whatever. You could set your plates on here, 2 different plates, yours and your mate's, and keep their food warm. I feel my plate getting warm. So that's nice. Okay, I still got it set for 212 degrees. I wanted to show you the different variety of bowls I have here that I've got on it. I've actually got 5 bowls on this thing right now. It's still got a little bit of space over here if I wanted to put something small. But I got 5 different size bowls on here right now. This is like a little casserole dish here. But yeah, it holds a pretty good bit. That's nice. Now we're going to try some pots. Okay, now we're setting some pans on here. Couple pots. So I got a pot, a pan, and a small pan. Gotta turn them just the right way to get them on there. Okay. So you kind of get the gist of the idea of what you can put on here. Different pans like this. If you had 2 big pans, it would be best just to put like 2 big pans like this. So yeah, you can get a pretty good bit on here. You could keep a pot of coffee on here. Got a tea pitcher here. You could keep a pot of tea or a pot of coffee warm on this thing. I mean, there's just all kind of possibilities that you could do with this mat. It's really nice. I can't wait to use this at our upcoming Thanksgiving and Christmas parties at church. This will be nice. They're going to be like, where'd you get this from? I like it. Okay guys, I have got this set at 140, which is about the normal average temp to warm up a plate, or keep a plate or pot warm. The bottom of my counter is just a little bit warm, not bad at all. So I got me some oatmeal over here I'm going to eat. Keeping it warm. It's been on here for like 20 minutes. It's still nice and warm. I thought I would put this little pan on here. And I just want to kind of time it and see how long it takes for me to actually feel heat on the bottom of the pan. See how long it'll take. Okay, I'm starting to feel a little heat. It's barely heat. That's been 6. Wow, that's been a minute. And I'm already feeling some heat on the bottom. Oh yeah, it's warming up. Under 2 minutes, it's already warming. So it's a pretty quick heat. And most time you're already going to have hot food when you use this, so it should keep it nice and warm for you. It feels nice. See, I can actually touch it now, but it's warm. You can't leave your hand there long, but nice and warm. I like it. It's really nice. Okay guys, I have turned this off so it can start cooling down. I really like this mat. It's nice. I am excited to use this at Christmas time. I will be taking this just because it rolls up and it's very functional and easy to carry. I mean, look how good that rolls. Just that easy. And put it in the bag and go with it. I love that instead of having to carry a big old regular size tray, you know, warming tray. But anyway, I do love this thing. I've been messing with it all day. I've been warming up my oatmeal and keeping it warm, and I actually even set some coffee on this thing a little while ago and kept it warm while I was running around here doing some cleaning. But yeah, it works great. Anyway, don't forget to check it out. The links will be down below. Don't forget that you will get a 10% discount if you do decide to purchase this item. I do want to thank Feppo for actually sending me the email and wanting to collab with me and send me this product to do a review on and to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing how it works, and if you are in the market for one, please click the links down below and go check it out, because I highly recommend it. I love it and can't wait to use it more, especially with the holidays coming up. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you decide to purchase one, if you're looking for one. And just let me know. Let me know if you get one. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. And I thank you for watching. God bless. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.